Good afternoon, YouTubers. It's the Mad Mechanic here. Now, we're going to get a Triumph update. There's my old girl. There's my old Frida. Quite old she is. Right, now, listen. This is the update. You know, we got the Triumph Herald the other day. We've done a bit of work on it, and we've taken all the front bonnet off. Cleaned all the D panel off the front because that was rotten. All the bonnet overriders because they were just falling apart. As soon as you undone them, they just fell apart. There's all the bonnet all off. Little bits of welding here to do. But now this is where it comes into the fun bit. This is the fun bit. As you can see, I'm making a start on the front floor pan, and obviously the floor and the seal. So I want to try and get these done in the next couple of weeks, but I want to try and get this floor pan here. I've got a brand new floor pan there, which were like gold, the price of them. Absolutely unbelievable amount of money. But this is what we're doing today. We're doing the front floor pan, the actual the floor, and then we've got the outer seal there, or what they call a step pan, or the step buster. We're going to get a new one of them anyway. And then we're going back. As you can see, there's little tiny bits of plating that needs to be done. Nothing, like I say, round the back, it's not too sad. It's just little bits and pieces here and there. It looks a lot worse than it actually is. What I want to try and do is get all the undershield off the floor, and then we can make a start in the back. There's a couple of little tiny wash-name holes there, but like I say, it's not a major drama. We can sort them out. The front floor pan on this side is going to be renewed as well, but I'll do that another day. I'm going to get that passenger side done first. That was the worst one of the two. And just little bits here. So there's the update of the Triumph Herald restoration. But when I say it's a restoration, it's not really a full restoration. It's more of a what I call rolling restoration, or an oily rag restoration. So there you go. It's all exciting stuff, isn't it? That's what it's going to pull. My little teardrop caravan. So it will be retro as. And then again, I must get on with my Mini. My front driveway is like a museum, a working museum. You know, got the old Mini there. Well, that's 1970 Mini there. I've got an old 1963 Triumph. I've got a really old BMW bike there. An old Vespa around the back, and various other bits. But anyway, so here we are, the Triumph restoration. The engine's going to need a lot more doing to it as well, because it's running its arse off. And I've put the idle right in, but nothing seems to be happening. So there's obviously a problem there somewhere. I think it might be a gasket gone on it. But anyway, so there we go. The Triumph Herald restoration. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll give some further updates as soon as they appear. But take care of yourselves, and I'll get in touch with you as soon as I've done a bit more. Take care now. Please like and subscribe.